I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to crop an image using the Affinity Studio desktop app. Step 1. Open the image you want to crop in Affinity Studio and then make sure Pixel is selected in the row of options along the top of this screen. Step 2. Click the crop icon in the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see a grid laid over your image. Step 3. Click and hold your cursor on any of the handles around the edge of your image and then drag them to only highlight the area of your image that you want to keep. Step 4. Click Apply when you're done. Your image will be cropped immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.